There is a great fear in this county that some of the bodaboda operators are being hijacked for criminal purposes in the name of political support. And it is on both sides of the political divide. And it has led to very ugly incidences here. Some of the persons who used to operate under the proscribed groups in this county have gone and hidden themselves in bodaboda. The danger is what we saw on 1st of September, where there was a very ugly scene in this town. We want the bodaboda sector to be regulated independent of political interference. And we want the NTSA to work together with the relevant authorities in county and national government to license the bodaboda circles and to regulate and punish those who are involved in criminal activities. Some of these bodaboda groups are being used to harass people, beat them, torture, and this is not a security team that there will be a major crackdown with the support of security officers from the national level to support the county security team to bring order in the bodaboda sector. And we will do so without fear or favor, without ill will, without considering political affiliations, because we want the people of Kisii to live in a peaceful environment. So that is one challenge. When we talk about goons and gangs in other parts of the country, it represents itself in Kisii here in the form and style of errant bodaboda operators. Now, this gives a bad name to many bodaboda peacefully, and we must protect them by making sure that the few elements who are involved in criminal activity are brought to justice. I want also to emphasize here that in the same sector, we must find a way of ensuring that the economic activities can benefit young people, because it's a multi-billion economy. It's important that they are properly organized, and we want to request county government organize the bodaboda sector to be an employer, not to be seen as a respectable profession, you know, as a respectable transport sector that can supporting security operations.